I promise you're going to be amazed how easy and yummy this recipe is. I love it when Kroger has their whole turkey breast on sale for $1.49 a pound. This one only cost $11.13 and I saved $9.71. When you get home, you'll need to put the frozen turkey breast in a bowl and defrost it in the fridge for 2 to 3 days. Cut the packaging off and remove the gravy packet from inside the turkey breast. Now you'll want to cut away the excess skin with a pair of kitchen shears. I got mine from Amazon. They're really sharp and I really love them. After you've finished cutting all the excess skin and rinsed the turkey breast, move the turkey breast to a large crock pot. The best part of this recipe is there's only one ingredient that you have to add to the turkey, and that is onion soup mix. So I am using the Ingles brand, which is Laura Lynn. And so you just open one packet and sprinkle it all over that turkey breast. Just get it all over there, just like I'm doing in the video. Then what we want to do is move it to an area that's out of the way. All right. Plug it in. And we set it on high for 1 hour. After the hour, go back and change the setting to low and cook for an additional 7 hours. I usually write a little note to myself when I turn the crock pot on and when it should be done after the total of 8 hours. You may want to set an alarm on your phone so you'll know when you have to make the switch to low. Or if you have an electronic crock pot, you can just program it to make the switch. Your house is going to smell amazing. Aromas of roast turkey will tell you that it's almost done. When it's time, remove the turkey breast and put it on a cutting board. I use the glass plate from my microwave because it keeps the juices contained and it's easier to clean up afterwards. Carve up that turkey breast and enjoy an easy, healthy, high-protein dinner with lots of leftovers. You can also add some inexpensive and easy sides to your meal. On the stove, cook up some stovetop stuffing and some gravy from the mix. And in the microwave, just heat up some mashed potatoes and some frozen green beans and enjoy. If you found this review to be helpful, I would really appreciate it since I'm just starting out. If you would give a like and a subscribe, thank you so much. I appreciate your help.